Hello Littlesilver family, so don't mind us, we are outside because we outside. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for being here, thank you for subscribing, thank you for coming back. Hello baby. Hello babe.
Yes baby.
Kamusta kabayan?
Mushki mama what? Utajiona but baadaye utajiona of course. Yo sisi hao? Yeah.
Tumefikishwa na matatu.
Tumefikishwa na matatu. Marsabit. Tuko huko Mayale. Si mushkil. Hawa. For the matatu.
Yeah, we're waiting for the matatu. That time and I'm not complaining. Enough of me ranting. I brought this babe here. I'm disappointed she didn't get the proper experience, but I hope next time she can book with a company that will give her the proper desert experience. The last two experiences I had were awesome. This is nothing like it. So disappointments. But anyway, she's trying to do her best because she doesn't have anything to compare. It's not good.
Yeah, we see.
So whenever you do a booking, you can confirm with the company like which desert are you going, so that you can know, because some deserts are not really desert, they are mini deserts. They don't even have that much sand. When you look at it, apart from this dune here, you will see it's like we're in the city. There's that building, there's this flat area capture. So cheers, don't forget to subscribe, we love you.
Okay. It's a video, yeah, it's going on. It's ongoing. Okay. Tight, very tight.
Very tight.
Yeah, like very tight. Okay. Yeah.
Wait. What is that?
I've never done it. My God, I hope I'll not break my legs. I don't know where we'll do it from.
It should be on top.
I'm just weighing my wrist. Are you recording? I'm just weighing my wrist. Do I want to fall? Do I want to die today? No, of course not. So you will help me adjust. Wow. It's my turn.
Yeah. Where is the airport?
Oh, I want
Which
to
airport is this plane landing? Almaty?
I don't know.
Where is Almaty?
Capture, can you capture?
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
So tired. But anyway, it was fun.
We try to make it fun. When you can't find happiness wherever you go, create your own happiness.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well.
Very deep
And I
conversation.
know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Dangerous. Akibams rikas.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside